Welcome to my channel. My name is Edith and today I have Lead Transformers Challenge review. I'm going to go in details about what is this product all about, and we're going to have access to the members area, and I'm going to show you here my bonus page. As you can see, this is my bonus page. These bonuses are going to be available when you do decide to get this product out of from my link below. So if you click the link below, it will take you to here to my bonus page. And once you're in my bonus page, you're going to be able to access the product. I have details about what is the product about, and then when you click either here or any of these links here in my bonus page, it will take you directly to the sales page of Transformers Challenge. And then if you do decide to purchase it, like, you're going to be receiving the bonuses that I'm providing for you and also the bonus from the vendor. So if you think this is a good information for you, and if you want to hear more and see more videos about product reviews, please don't forget to click the subscription button for my channel, and so you can receive notifications. So hit the subscription, hit the like button, and hit the notification so you receive any more information about more videos that I'm gonna be posting. So let's go to the members area so you know what is this Transformers challenge all about. It is here, it starts at getting started with Leads Transformers Challenge. You're gonna be able to access here. You're gonna be able to see the case study. Then it goes into day 0 preparation. How does this work? So it's gonna give you a short video of how this works, and then it goes into a full recording preparation day, which is gonna be showing you exactly what is Leads Transformer Challenge, and then it's give you a whole presentation here that you're going to be able to access, and then it's going to give you the ground zero preparation. So it gives you a step-by-step how they prepare and how the challenge will work. And then it will give you editing your friend list. So it's going to give you details about this, how you're going to edit that, and give you the short video about that. And then it goes into attracting leads and joining groups, how you can do that so you can attract these leads and be able to monetize. And then preparing your profile, it shows you step by step how you can do that. And it shows you in exactly what you need to do in order to get this to succeed on this challenge. It will give you details of how to do it. And then a recap and homework is going to give you exactly what you need to do, all the details about it. And the challenge starts now. So day 1, Lead Transformers full recording day 1. It gives you a 75 minutes video that will talk about that and how it was the start of the day 1. Then goes into day 0 homework recap. It gives you exactly step by step what you need to do and what they were doing. And then who's your ideal client? It goes to like a minute of a video in telling you who would be your ideal client, and then also a video about finding leads. What are leads about? It gives you a definition on that and what do you expect from that. Task number 1, providing value in groups. It gives you this topic and go in details also in a video. And then introducing yourself to groups. So she goes in details about how you need to do in order to be successful with this challenge. And then task number 3, mission posts, like post your mission statement and all that so you can attract people by doing that. Task number 4, responding to leads, how you be able to respond. So she gives you the ways of doing that. And then how to keep track of the leads and follow up. So it gives you also a tutorial about how you can do this to be successful. And then it gives you a recapitulation of what you did and all of that, and homework and all of that. And then day 1 homework gives you exactly what you need to do in order to succeed. And then it goes to day 2. It goes in details about day 2. Same thing. It gives you video training on this, on how to do it, and day full recording, blocking time. Then more group engagement and commenting and posting, messenger conversation for post comments and all of that. Your authority post and homework again. It gives you, it's a challenge, so you will have homework. So definitely you have to follow this and be able to respond and see if you went well with this day number 2. And then goes in date number 3. Lead Transformer Challenge full recording, then meeting start and mission posts, tracking leads, pique an interest, lead magnet posts. So it gives you everything actually to follow that challenge. Marketing message for interested leads and all of that. And then again, homework and closing thoughts for that specific day. It goes day 4. Again, it's a training. It has Lead Transformer Challenge Live. It gives you knowing your ideal client, how to get testimonials, and then creating value posts. Again, homework and final thoughts, exactly how it went through the whole day 4, and be able to actually practice all the information you learned, put it into practice. Day 5, again, a small video messaging, responding to leads, official release posts, homework again to be able to put into practice what you learn. Day number 6, how to deal with ghosting, quick recap and homework, and then again, important question and Q&A sessions that you need in order to be successful. And day number 7, importance of consistency, planting seeds and reconnecting, the power of posting, and then they'll talk about numbers, ongoing tasks, discussion and leads, share your results, and then how to build a widely successful business, and final thoughts. Then it goes into phone bonus number 1. You're going to be receiving a free one-on-one call, exactly how to set up your structure, your 6-figure business. Bonus number 2 is a case study you're going to be receiving. Bonus number 3, closed door mastermind group. Oh, that's a good one. Get DFY campaigns done for you, and then get out of community growth, the base transformer program. So it gives you all this. You're going to be able to click when you do decide to do that. So I think it's pretty good. It has all the information here. If you think this is a good product for you, I will recommend for you to click on the link below so you can access through my link and be able to get these bonuses that I'm offering for you. So let's go in the bonus before I tell you that pricing. Bonus number 1, you're going to be receiving the Atomic Access Atomic DFY. This is important. You're going to be receiving it is from General Armstrong. You're going to have access to this when you decide to get this product. And then bonus number 2, it is how to make an email capture. As you know, you need to learn more about email and how you can be successful with this challenge. So you definitely need email capture and learn about that. Bonus number 3 is Recastly monetizing strategy. So it's also you're going to be able to learn more with this. So remember, all the bonuses that we're providing, it has to do, is really relevant with this product. So it will definitely help you. Once again, I have Aurora here for you that you're going to be able to access. You have the license right for Aurora, and you're going to be able to access this when you do decide to purchase. And as always, bonus number 5, we have the special bonus from the vendor you're going to be receiving when you do decide to get this product. So let's go into the pricing. Remember, by clicking any of the links below here in my bonus page, you're going to be able to access the product and be able to get these bonuses for you. So it starts at $17. Access the powerful Lead Transformer Challenge software and training modules. And then it goes to Upsell number 1. It has the wisdom campaigns, 80 DFY Engagement Posts, Motivational Posts, and 80 DFY Value Posts. So all of this is that you can access right away. Upsell number 2 is the auto community growth, 10 over-the-shoulder video showing you how to grow your community. So it gives you details on how you do that. Upsell number 3 is the Base Transformer program. This is at $333. You have instant access to the coaching program. And then how to develop your high-ticket offer, how to launch it successfully in 3 weeks or less, how to position yourself as an authority, and how to set up a high-ticket funnel that converts. 2 weekly coaching calls and accounting group. So all of this is done for you. And it's simple and newbie friendly, unique. You've not seen anything like this before, so no face-to-face meeting. Methods 100% free, no paid ads, and get unlimited source. So if you think this is a good product for you, I will recommend for you to take it and click the link below to access to my special bonuses, access the product and all the information. Of course, I will recommend you to continue searching about this product before you purchase. But it sounds that if you kind of want to invest in your business, if you want to learn more about it, and it seems that it's a pretty good information tutorial training product. So if you think it's a good product, just click the link and access through my link so you can access the bonuses. Well, and thank you for watching, and please remember to subscribe if you like this channel. And if you like any videos that I'm posting, please don't forget to click the notification button so you can receive notifications when I'm uploading a new video. And once again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.